Rick, I live in the Coachella Valley, and I've got a water softener, and I'm thinking of getting rid of it. But I was thinking of maybe just getting another one. What are my options? Are there other things I could do?
You're really not thinking about replacing that old-fashioned water softener with the same thing, are you? We have an exceptionally effective salt-free approach that is good on the environment, does not create the slippery or slimy feeling characteristics, does not require you to go to the supermarket or Lowe's or Home Depot and drag 40-pound bags of salt back home, and is very, very effective at reducing hard water issues, protecting your plumbing, your water heater, your dishwasher, and providing better results in laundry. And again, it's environmentally sound. So it's time to step here into the current date and look very carefully at your options for salt-free water conditioning. We have the very best approach for that, proven over the last 40 years. So please reach out to us and we'll be happy to explain further differences.